Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. BNB also here in a short-term uptrend. We will have to see if this is something more sustainable. Certainly leaning towards further upside here as long as we're holding above the green support box. That is the area which is relevant here for this wave 4. We already came into it twice and at any moment we could rally in a fifth wave. Confirmation that we are pushing higher here would be the break above the 314 level. We always need to be a bit careful with these corrections because we only touched the first support basically. So this obviously is a Fibonacci support area relevant for all the waves. One second, let me draw the fibs. Relevant here for the wave 4. A wave 4 would at a very minimum go to the 23.6 fib extension retracement. So this retracement is quite common for a wave 4, especially if the situation is very bullish. There is a lot of bullish sentiment in the market. So it might be okay already. It might be enough to get only to that level and then start to move higher. However, I'm skeptical because most frequently a wave 4 would go to the 38.2 retracement here at $285. It could also go to 276, but that's really the maximum it should do. So below 276 or 275, this pattern will probably break down. As long as that is active, we can focus on higher in another fifth wave to the upside. I can give you a rough target, but it's not very reliable because we do not yet know where exactly the wave 4 will bottom. If I look at the length of the third wave, and I go to the possible low of the fourth, it could take us to around $340. I've now based it on the last low, but I would say it probably goes down a bit lower eventually. So this target area might shift a bit. But yeah, I think this is still able to push higher as long as we're holding 275, 276. The subwave structure here makes a flat pattern likely so that we had 3 waves down, 3 waves up. So the B wave could already be complete. Let me go to the 1 hour chart. Yeah, we have clear 3 waves up as well. And we could now be coming down in the C wave. And here we might have the wave 1 that looks like a 5 wave structure to me. This might be a 2 of C, and next we could get a sell-off in wave 3 of C. It is of course possible that the B wave is still ongoing. And it's also possible because the A wave was in 3 waves, at least that's how it looks, that the B wave could become an overshooting B wave, which makes it difficult. But at the moment, I would assume wave B is already in. If we break above the 308 level, there is risk that it's becoming an overshooting B wave. I don't currently think this overall correction is over because the move up looks very corrective. So at the moment, I don't think the low is in yet. This to me looks only like the A wave. Ideally, the B is also in and we're now coming down in C. However, if we really break above the high at 314, we have to assume we are pushing higher. Important to understand is that this wave 4 could also become a triangle because the move down is corrective, the move up is corrective. This, however, looks rather like a 5 wave move down. Okay, so actually not primarily looking at the triangle here, but we are currently making lower highs and lower lows. So from a pattern and structural point of view, it looks like a triangle. That's why I'm just saying that. And out of a triangle, like a bullish pennant, yeah, you can always have a direct breakout to the upside. So just be aware of that. And yeah, so that's basically everything. I think we're in a good uptrend here. We're holding support at the moment, and at any moment we need to be ready. It will go up, but even if we come down here, as long as we're holding 275, you know, that's fine. I would personally enter into BNB if we get deeper into this green support area, because then I'm closer to a possible stop loss, which would be here below 275 for me. Okay, and that's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.